Hi, I am Varun Kumar, Compliance Officer at JR Compliance. Today in this video, we will talk about what is EPR certificate, who can apply, how to obtain it, and what will be the procedure. So let's talk about what is EPR certificate. EPR stands for Extended Producer Responsibility, which means responsibility of producer of electrical and electronics equipment for channelization of e-waste to ensure environmentally sound disposal of such waste. अगर मैं पूरे प्रोसेस को शॉर्ट में एक्सप्लेन करूं तो EPR सर्टिफिकेट बेसिकली एक ऐसा लाइसेंस है जो कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट को मैनेज करने के लिए लिया जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल कंप्यूटर, लैपटॉप, प्रिंटर, washing machine, AC, refrigerator. These are the mandated products which require EPR certificate. Let's talk about who can apply for the EPR certificate. As per the E-Waste Management Rules 2016, Indian manufacturer, importer, producer, retailer, dealer, e-retailer can apply for the EPR certificate. The next point is who provides EPR certificate. सेंट्रल पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड एक ऑथराइज्ड अथॉरिटी है जो कि प्रोवाइड करती है EPR सर्टिफिकेट और ऑथराइजेशन अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, फॉरेस्ट एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज. Let's discuss about what kind of documents required for the EPR registration. So we need a basic documents for the EPR registration. The first one is the name and address of the authorized person with email ID and its contact number. The second point is GST certificate of the company, IC certificate in case of importer, and the PAN card of the company. The third one is the list of the product, that is electrical and electronics equipment. The fourth one is अगर कोई कंपनी ऑलरेडी प्रोडक्ट इंपोर्ट कर रही है बाहर से या फिर कोई प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में सेल कर रही है, मैन्युफैक्चर कर रही है, देन दिस केस हमें उसका सेल्स रिकॉर्ड भी चाहिए होता है फॉर द EPR registration. The last one is website of the producer is also mandatory for the EPR registration. Now, what is the validity of the EPR certificate? The EPR certificate is valid for the 5 years, and after that we have to apply for the renewal of the EPR certificate. And this is all about the EPR certificate, and we hope you like our video. If you have any query regarding the EPR certificate, please contact JR Compliance. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.
JR Compliance.